Hi folks, this will be another Dave Senior moment. I've had a lot of requests lately asking about, what I mainly use as a diet and how I keep my energy up at 86. I'm 86 years old now, or almost 86, and I will be in January. And so I thought I'd just do a real quick video, give you some idea of what I eat during the day. And this is normal. Sometimes I'll go out with the family and we'll go down and go to a steakhouse or something, but it's unusual when I do that, but it occasionally happens. I don't eat too much meat anymore. I don't eat much seafood. I eat a lot of potatoes, and I do have some eggs now and then with my potatoes, and I'll have a salad. But I want to show you basically what I do during the day. As most of you know, I walk 2 miles a day. I've got a track on my property where I walk 2 miles a day. And I try to walk pretty hard, keep my heart pumping good. But can you see all of these okay, Vicki? Here's basically what I like to do as a daily routine. Again, occasionally I break this routine, but this is what I usually do. 8 o'clock in the morning and at noon, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I have one of these Premier Protein jugs. They're just a little carton. I keep them in the refrigerator. There's 30 grams of protein, and protein is important because a lot of times I'll fast. I'll do a water fast, but protein is very important. And they have 160 calories, which is not really very much based on 1,000 calories a day. Our requirement are 1,200 calories a day. They have 1 gram of sugar. They're low fat, and there's 24 vitamins and minerals in them. Now I buy these at Sam's Club. I don't make anything by telling you about them, but I buy them at Sam's Club. Excuse me. And since I'm a Sam's Premium member, I get free shipping on them. And I pay, for a case of 12 of these, I think I pay $15 or $16, which is pretty cheap. And then after my 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 4 o'clock, occasionally, at 6 o'clock or 8 o'clock, I'll have another one. But if I'm hungry, I'll fix myself just a small salad, lettuce and tomatoes and pickles and little relish, little onions sometimes. And also, in addition to that, I buy these on Amazon. And you get a good picture of that. This is just a little dish of cooked rice. Takes about 90 minutes to heat it up good in a microwave. 90 seconds. And then I add...
it's 90 seconds, not 90 minutes.
Yeah, 90 seconds, I'm sorry. 90 minutes and heat it up pretty good. But 90 seconds in a microwave. And sometimes I'll mix a little raisins in with it. Sometimes a little fruit. But it's an excellent snack. And it's low in calories, high in vitamins, and starch, what you need. And so this is just gives you a general idea. Again, occasionally, once every 3 weeks or a month, I'll cheat a little bit and we'll go out. I'll go out with Eric and Vicki, and we'll have something to eat at a restaurant. But most of the time, this is what I do probably 24 days out of the month. This will be my daily routine. by doing this, I keep my weight down. I've lost, since my heart attack, I've lost about 65, 70 pounds. And I keep that weight off by just following this routine. And it's pretty filling, actually. There's nothing difficult about it at all. And about once a month, I'll go on a 5-day water fast. And during that 5-day water fast, I'll drop 7 pounds, 8 pounds, just in 5 days. I try not to go over 4 or 5 days on a water fast. The doctors say at my age I shouldn't be doing it at all, but most of the doctors have said that are dead. I'm still here. So anyway, that was this is the way I'm answering the question about people want to know what I do to keep my energy up, because I still work every day. I go in the shop. I do design stuff on the laser and the computer, so I still work every day, although I do take a little nappy in the afternoon. But this is basically what I do, so now you know what my diet is to keep my energy up. And that's what I did for this senior moment. So we'll see you next time.